Glad you came. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder of tennisreviewkids.com and today we are going to convert Python Python Fibonacci series code to C++ Fibonacci series code. So I'm so excited to teach you how it's done. So without any delay, let's get started. Tab. So let me just drink water. One second. Pretty good water. Perfect. So where was I? Without any delay, let's get started. Dab. Let me minimize the screen. So I'm gonna go like line by line, like this line of Python, then this line I've converted it into C++, right? But let me show you the outputs. Okay, so this is the Python code, and we get the Fibonacci series till 10. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I will be you know what? So here you see it's starting with 0 and ending with 144, and same in C++. This is the C++ code starting with 0, ending with 144, and this code is pretty same, guys. So so you see the code is same, the output we are getting exactly the same. So so let's just get line by line by line by line. So we know we have to give this an int main. So so first we are creating two variables, x which value is 0 and y which value is 1, and then we are printing them. So here, see, we are making in only one line, we are making two variables. So x equals 0, and then with a comma, the second variable y is equals to 0, and then we are just printing that. So endl is basically end line, which means to insert a new line. Okay, so now okay, next what it is. So now then we are making a variable sum1 which is equals to x plus y. So here we are making a variable int sum1, x is equals to y, exactly the same. Now for a in range 10, so here let's see the full for loop. For a in range 10, now x value becomes y and y value becomes the sum, and now the sum's value is changed by the new answers which are changed of x and y, and we are printing them. So now let's see this for loop. So for int I is equals to 0, so I is equals to 0, then I is less than 10, okay, and then I plus plus. So here we're just doing the same. X is equals to y. See, x is equals to y. Y is equals to sum1. Y is equals to sum1. Sum1 is equals to x plus y, and sum1 is equals to x plus y. And then we're just again like that, as we are printing sum1. We are printing sum1, just the syntax. Oops, sorry, just the words are the difference. So oh my god, have you seriously done this so quickly? Oh my gosh. So Here is how we can convert our Python code into our C++ code. So that was pretty cool, guys. So the Python code, if you want to go thorough and you want to learn perfectly, in my Python lessons or app development playlist, you will find Python Fibonacci series, coding Python Fibonacci series, something. So you can see that video so that you get to know that Python code. Let's just quickly revise our C++ code. So we are making two variables x and y, assigning this value as 0 and 1, then printing them both new line, then making another variable sum1 which value is x plus y, then the for loop, then we are changing x and y and someone's value, that x now becomes y becomes sum1, and sum1 is equal to x plus y. Now sum1 is equal to x plus y. You must be thinking, why have we given that? So that's because x and y's value change, right? They change inside the for loop, right? So then if we don't give sum1 is equals to some x is plus y, then it will keep on getting the four answers 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? But as now the numbers will change and everything will happen, so that is why the sum will also change, obviously, as the numbers will change, right? So that is why we have given this again. So yeah, and after we have changed someone's value, we are printing that. And guys, I am done with code, and yeah, this was my code. C++ and Python both. So conversion of Python code into C++. I had really fun telling you guys how to do this, and I really hope you have got it. How do you do that? That was so cool, right guys? So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment it down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel. Wait, and subscribe my channel if you're not done yet. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye guys. See you soon. Bye.